Hello, this is Dr. Oz. Today I would like to talk about descriptive statistics. And it's not a statistics course, it's a business analytics course, but statistics is closely related to business analytics itself. And as you remember from last class, descriptive meaning the past. This is here everything to do with past data, historical data. All right, so let's go to the next slide. All right, so in this presentation, I would like to cover the overview and the definitions and goals, okay? So overview, let's talk about some important terminology here. Data is one concept that is very important. Data is basically facts and figures that are collected in the past so that we can make better decisions. And again, goal here is to learn about the variation of business situations so that we can make better decisions. Variable is a quantity of interest that can take on different values, right? And we have observations in descriptive analytics. These are set of values corresponding to set of variables. And the variation is another important concept here, the difference in a variable measured or observations. And finally, it's important to understand what's random variable or uncertain variable. Random variable cannot be known with certainty, right? So let's look at an example to better understand these concepts. Here you see Dow Jones Industrial Index, which consists of 30 companies traded in the United States. These are really big corporations. Let's see a couple of examples here. For example, we have Apple Corporation, American Express, Cisco, etc. And each company has a ticker or symbol. These are publicly traded companies. And you can see their industry. For example, Apple is in technology, Boeing is in manufacturing, Caterpillar is in manufacturing, etc. And you can see share price for these companies at some point in time. So for example, at this time, Apple was 160.47 and DuPont was traded at $83.93. Right, so these numbers, of course, do change every milliseconds based on supply and demand for a given company. And you can see here the volume, and the bigger the firm in general is, more volume we have. This shows how many shares are bought and sold by the investors. So let's go back to the previous concepts. We talk about variables. So in this case, these are the things that are variables. One, symbol is a variable. Industry is a variable. Share price is a variable, and the volume is a variable as well. So these numbers do change. And observation, each row here represent a observation. Each row here represents an observation. And variation of this could be based on time. For example, if I look at the same data 1 year later, the share prices will change and volume will change. So variation can be understood by that. That's it for now. Next presentation,